Unlock your writing potential and build a thriving online presence by mastering your Medium profile. First things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to Medium.com and click on the Get Started or Sign In button. You can easily sign up using your Google, Apple, or email account. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon. Usually in the top right corner of the screen, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Profile. You'll now see your profile page. To start making it your own, find and click the Edit Profile button. This is where the magic happens. Your profile photo is critical for making a first impression. Click on the photo placeholder to upload a clear, professional headshot or an image that represents your personal brand. A friendly and approachable image is always a good bet. Next, fill in your name. This is how you'll be known on Medium. Below that, you'll see your username. This is your unique identifier and will be part of your profile URL. Choose one that's memorable and easy to share, ideally reflecting your name or writing focus. Now for the bio, a circumflex euros. Your chance to tell readers who you are and what you're passionate about. Write a concise and compelling bio. Highlight your expertise, your writing niche, and what readers can expect from your stories. Think of it as your elevator pitch for the Medium community. Keep it professional, yet engaging. To help Medium recommend your stories and connect you with like-minded individuals, select your interests, browse the categories, and choose topics you write about or are passionate about. This is crucial for building your audience. Once you've added your photo, name, bio, and selected your interests, don't forget to click the Save or Update button, usually at the top or bottom of the editing page, to apply your changes. And there you have it. A compelling Medium profile that establishes your personal brand and credibility. Share your profile link with the world and start building your readership.